Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, we're going to discuss whether you can log into your Cash App account using your cash tag or not. So let's get started right away. Now, if you already have the Cash App application installed on your device, then go ahead and open it up. Otherwise, install the application using the Play Store or the iOS App Store. After opening up the application, you will directly be taken into the login page. Now, once you're in the login page, you will be asked to enter your phone number. If you didn't use your phone number while creating your account, then you can also tap on use email at the bottom left corner and you will be asked to enter your email address. If you type in your cash tag and then click on the next button, you will see that you are not able to do this. You can also tap on the use phone option and try to enter your cash tag within this page, but you will still not be able to proceed forward as this method does not approve for logging into your account. You can tap on the question mark icon at the top right corner if you need some further assistance with logging in. But if you proceed forward with this process, you will be able to click on the cash tag option, from which you can type in your cash tag and tap on the continue button, and you will be asked whether you can access your email. Simply tap on the yes button and you will be sent the verification code within your inbox. You may also be asked to enter the email address in full. So even while you can enter your cash tag to log in, you will still need to provide your email address or your phone number in order to receive the verification code for logging in. And there you have it. That is all there is to know about logging into your Cash App account using your cash tag. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.